It's me again, the Brazilianaire. I'm doing my trading review for the day. So right here is the open, 9:30, Monday, June 29th. So today I took 3 trades, 2 shorts right here and 1 short up here. This is an afternoon short. I thought it was going to start fading into the close, but then it didn't. It's possibly doing right now, but then it's about to be closed on the day already. So this morning, the trade idea that we had, it generated more than what we took profit from. Right here, like 418, all the way down here. Not necessarily all the way down here, but you would have generated about 60 points, 70 points. So 50 plus points, 70 points to the downside, which was right here, because we are outside of the band and we are going all the way down to the band underneath of it, with the MACD going close, RSI selling off. And then to the upside, we could have taken another one, which there will be under the band. So under the band right here, taking up just about here will be 57 points. Or if you want to take all the way over here, if you have more patience for the double top right there, they would have created 76 points or so. So another 50 plus points. So if you stay very disciplined and you stick to the plan of only trade when it's either above or under the band and take it to the opposite side. This is the 15-minute, and here on the 5-minute, same exact thing. We shorted right here. First short, it was at 418, and the second short was 419. So if you stay calmer and realize where the bands are going, once again, we could have generated about 70 points, in profits for 30 minutes or so. And we were doing 0.02, so that means that we could have earned 140 points, which is fine. We took $48 out of the market, which is great. So it means we took about 24 points or so, and you went 70, which is great. On the beginning stages of your account, the hardest part is for you to, not the hardest part, but you gotta take a profit so that way you can keep on building, and so we can go to the next 100. And once it has reached the lower band on the 5-minute, and as you can see, MACD went close, RSI sold off. Let's say you take another trade from here because it's under the band, and we could have generated another 50 to 60 points or so because we are under the band, and you want to take back up to the band again, which it did. It went right above here. And on the 1 minute, pretty much the same thing. It has tested over here out of the band, and you see it started wicking, and then you take a short. The potential come all the way down here. It was down here already, but then he had to take me out on the stop loss, which is fine. It was the stop loss was just about break even, under break even. So it took me out for small profits. And in the beginning stages of your trading, you gotta be more safe than sorry. So from here again, from testing, double top, starting to wick, just take the trade, and we'll be about 76 points. Really good trading. And here in the afternoon, I just took the short as was kind of fading. Not necessarily would do it. Very tight risk. And here are the trades for the day right there. Okay. So we got the first one, the second one, and the third one. So first one took us on stop loss, take profits and stop loss. I'm fine of risking 21 cents. We're still up in the day, $49. So on this specific trade right here, that would have generated us 64.32% of return of investment, which is really good. So today was a great trading day. We saw the plays, we executed, we just did it. Now, if you go here in the NAS 100, here's the open, is a little bit different. Let's just be here in the 5 minute and see what it showed us. So again, out of the band, out of the upper band, and we will be looking for a short. We got MACD right here kind of curling and then selling off. You got RSI kind of struggling up here on the 60s or so. Here we go here. Just about the same exact time, about 9:45, where it is out of the band. And let's say if you take all the way down here to below, under the band, that will be 400. Let's say 400, 450 points. But it's not saying you're gonna catch the whole entire thing, because it could potentially just get wicked out. You could, yeah, just not saying you're gonna take the whole 400 points. What I'm saying is that if you stay patient, you can take the whole thing. It's not hard, but it does quite take lots of discipline and patience for you to take the whole entire thing. So again, here in the 15 minutes, out of the band, and we short up here, take to the under the band, 480 points. And then if you stay disciplined enough and patient and execute the plan, it's under the band, and you can take all the way back to the upper band, another 660 points. So you could potentially earn 1,000 points here today on the NAS 100. Not saying that is an easy thing to do, but it is possible if you stay disciplined and stick to your plan. And yeah, that will be all. So we are going to show up tomorrow again. We will continue trading on the SPX for tomorrow, doing 0.03. We're going to push this account potentially tomorrow to above $200 or so. If you can double account tomorrow, it'd be great. But let's see if you can get to this $200 mark. That way we can easily trade the NAS 100 with just about $50 in margin of error. And yeah, now just keep on showing up. Take the trades, execute the plans, study the results, adapt, do it again, and keep doing it. Yeah. So thank you guys for whoever watches. If you don't watch it, that's cool. If you do watch it, learn from my mistakes. See what's happening, understand the patterns. The patterns repeats itself every single day. Out of the band, under the band, from under the band back to the upper band. You can buy the dip, you can short the tops. Whatever you choose to do, just avoid trading in between the bands. You want to stay out when there's already the move. Once already is happening, you want to stay out. You want to get above the band or under the band. Whichever works for you, you can do both. I like doing both. Upper band to the lower band back to the upper band. But as you trade, you get more confident, stay more patient, you develop that skill, and you keep on working. Yeah. So just doing it. Thank you guys once again. I appreciate you. I love you. And stay profitable, my friend.